Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Alan 164. Today we are doing the unboxing for Porsche 911 Dakar. So let's do it. So this is very usual packaging from Mini GT, and let's open this one. Look at that. Off-road Porsche. The color scheme is very good. There is 185 on this. There is very small detailing in the wheels. If you can see, this is actually a Porsche logo on it. Hard to see, but it is. On the back we have all the details. I really like this ground plate. They put it here for off-roading, especially on the bumper, and on the number plate we have 911 Dakar. In front, it's a very simple front. Actually, I don't see anything on the number plate here, and again we have this bumper plate. And the bottom is very simple, not much of detailing except the vent pipes here for the exhaust. We have thread on the wheels on this Porsche. Also, the things I really love about this is this on the top, the details they put. This is what actually makes the Mini GT different from other brands, that in a very minimum rates they provide these kind of detailings. If it was some other company's car, like any other brand manufacturing this, it would have been very pricey, but this one is just within the range of fine prices. So these are the oil cans, and this is some kind of bag with a stove on it, and I don't know what is this. Let me know if you guys know. Okay, so we have these steel sides as well. This is real nice detailing on this car. And let's do the roll test. Yeah, it rolls really perfect actually. It rolls good. So let's park this one. Thank you so much for watching this, and let me know if you like it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.